All right. I want to talk about Fias777.com. Fias777.com, it is a website where you can invest. Well, to me, this website works like a Bitcoin company. So any company that work like a Bitcoin, it is a scam, I can tell you. So if you are somebody who invests in Fias777.com, I can tell you that to withdraw from this website, because they are going to scam you within a month or within 2 months. So believe me, you can withdraw a little amount of the money that you invest, but after that, when you reach, you try to withdraw your whole amount of money from this website called Fias777.com. I'm telling you, they're not gonna allow you. So that withdrawing the money that you try to withdraw, they will put it on pending. Well, you will be thinking that they are going to send those amount of money to your bank account, which they will not. So even if you try to reach out to them, to the administrator of the website or to the manager, they will not listen to whatever you're going to say. So before things get ugly, or before anything happen to your to the money that you invested there, I can tell you, please try to withdraw your money slowly and slowly. So this is a scam website. Believe me, I invest in Bitcoin before, and I know this website also works the same way, especially those who live in Ethiopia and other country. I can tell you that tomorrow you're gonna cry. So I do not want you to cry tomorrow. Do not invest. Do not send money to them to invest, because within a few months from now on, they're going to close this website, they're going to close this company, and you will not access the amount of the money that you deposit, or the interest that you gain from the money that you deposited. So this is a warning to all you. Please do not invest in Fias777.com. If you want to know that if this is a scam or not, please try to check YouTube. You will understand how it works. Because I invest in Bitcoin before, I'm telling you the same thing will happen to these people who invest in this company called Fias777.com. Anyway, that is the message that I would like you to understand. Okay, bye.